Igbo politician and Igbo governors. Where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Biafra Liberation Army ask. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first way they come across this wonderful channel, may you no forget to give us a follow and no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update. Hello my people, let's look into the next ogbonge news. As it dey hot, na so they bring out the come. They say one Biafra Liberation Army don talk hard say hey, things wey dey happen to Southeast e don finally red. Say they are fully ready. They are fully ready. It's asking the politicians and the governors, are they really ready for this war battle, war line they have drawn? Say if they have ready, let them know, because then themselves they don ready, they wait. If everything wey dey wait now come through, say they go come like air, they will breeze. No be small thing. Okay my people, we go come play the video for you to hear where this Biafra Liberation Army dey lament say they don fully ready to deal with the politicians and the governors and ask them question, where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Okay, I will go play you the video, may you watch, and we will come back and continue.
So that you all hear from my mouth this very morning. Today is Thursday, the 24th August 2023. The question is mainly for Nigeria and all the Igbo politicians and all the Ohaneze and Eze in certain region of Zoological Republic known as Biafra or Biafra. This question is directly to them. I want to ask you, I hope you are ready for what is to come. I hope you are ready for what is to come. If you know any politician close to you, if you are related to any of them, please ask them this question. I hope they are ready for what is to come. Ask them this question. If you are close to governor, House of Rep, senator, chairman, local government chairman, councillor, and all the Ohaneze and all the Eze in Biafra land, ask them this question. I hope you are prepared and get ready for what is to come. If you know Tunumbu and the rest of Nigerians, ask them. I hope you are ready to what is to come. Kidnapping Nnamdi Kanu is the worst thing you have ever done in your life. Kidnapping Nnamdi Kanu is the worst thing you have ever done in your life. And see, keeping him against your own law is the most dangerous things you have ever done in your life. Then the question this morning is, I hope you are ready to what is to come. I hope you are prepared for what is coming. I don't think you have done that. I don't think you have done that. Politician in Biafra land, I hope you are ready to face the music, to dance this music you are drumming. There is no forgiveness in our dictionary. I hope you are ready, because we are about to dance the music you are playing. Before we do things, we normally announce it. Nnamdi told you that. Say we are not coward. Before we start, he will tell you we are coming, so that you look for the way to run. and you will not able to run. You will find way to escape and you will not able to escape. And you stay there until we come and swallow you alive. The question this morning to you is, I hope you are ready to what is to come. Ask the whole politician. Ask anybody you know that are politics, are into politics. Anybody you know that are into politics, ask them. I hope you are ready to what is to come. This question is directly from men on ground, from the battlefield itself. You know me, but the question I'm asking you this very morning is, are you prepared? You are the one that is calling us to come and fight, but are you prepared to fight us? How prepared are you? Because we are coming. You that have been burning our houses, the politician, you have been giving order for our houses to be burned down. I hope you are prepared for us. You politicians that have been inviting army to come and kill the innocent citizen of Biafra, I hope you know that blood also runs in your vein. And you also get family. And they are not above death. I hope you know that. I believe. Let me believe that you are prepared. Because you are coming. We are coming. If you never prepare, then your name is sorry. Because what you will see in your next life, when you hear Biafra, you will disappear. I hope all of you that have been signing for the killing of innocent Biafran, you are prepared. No hiding place. There is no hiding place. There is no hiding place. Believe you me, there is no hiding place. We will fetch every one of you out. We will fetch every one of you out. Either in Biafra land or outside Biafra land. We will fetch you out. And this music you are playing, you will dance with us. This drum you are playing, you must dance with us. I do not have much to say this morning than to ask these few questions. Ask politicians, ask them everywhere. You see them. Those of you that are privileged to, talk to them, ask them, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Governor, Mr. Councillor, Mr. Senate, Honorable Senator, Honorable House of Rep, this music of war, the drum of war you have been drumming, the men on ground asked me to ask you, are you ready? Are you people ready to what is to come? Ask them. We are coming.
Yeah, welcome back, my people. As you have watched that video, you heard everything he's saying in this particular video, identifying himself as a Biafra Liberation Army, I have said a lot of things that they are coming for the politicians, and they are also coming. So asking them, are they really prepared for what is coming? If they are prepared for what is coming, they should let them know, because they are ready to take over. No be small thing. So my people, will leave the video for here. May you drop your own comment, and also contribute for the video as well. So anything wey you think for this video, may you let us know for comment section. Let us talk about it, and no forget to share the video to your friends, to group, anywhere where you belong, so that they go know wetin dey go on for the territory. Make dem know where they go put their head and where they go put their leg. Remember say information na be the key o. Who get information na know na sabi o, because if you get information of something, ndị Igbo say agha akara aka adịrị nwa ngwụrọ. Before, as they don talk, one ngwụrọ don start in journey before people wey get leg go start. No be small thing. Okay, we will leave am for table today, and we go see you for the next video wey we go drop as e dey hot. May you keep on checking on this particular channel. My people, na so we send today.